Well, hello there. My name is David, and this is my channel. Now, today we are going to be dealing with floating gears in a manual transmission. Now, this could be kind of like, if you look at the comment section, I want you guys to tell me if you do float, you don't float, why you should float, and why you shouldn't float. Because I personally, I I think you should double clutch a transmission. I really do believe it. All right. Do I? No, not always. I don't. Well, now I definitely don't because my company only uses automatic transmissions. But whatever. But back in the day, I kind of did both. It was kind of like I floated until I felt like I needed to double clutch. But anyway, now the reason why I am making this video is because most of the people have not seen it, even though I have a video out there that has it, but it's at the end of a 28-minute video. All right, so most people don't last that long. I don't like 28-minute videos because people's attention span are very low. But anyway, so I went ahead and just took that part of that video and make it its own video, all right? Minus the whole me talking here and you guys waiting for me to shut up just so we can get on with the video. But anyway, I just wanted to explain a few more stuff first. Now, if you want to check out that other video, that's 28 minutes, there is a link up here somewhere or definitely in the description on how to shift a manual transmission, an actual 13 speed. Basically, it's the same thing as driving an 18 speed. It's just that in an 18 speed, you can split all the gears, but in the 13 speed, you can only split the top half, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gear. Anyway, let's get on with the video and hopefully you might learn something. Anyway. Now, I'm going to tell you a little secret, all right? There's actually 2 fourth gears, all right? I'm going to show you where the other one is. Obviously, there's one over here. All right. There's actually one over here too. All right. Let me show you. So right now I'm in 5th gear. All right. Go past the spring and over here. Rev it up. That was 4th gear. Let's go to 5th gear. Okay. Let's do it again. And again. See, as you can see, this is flipped up. All right. You can actually split this too. Sliding it forward, sliding off, sliding it back, revving it up. I don't really split that too often. It's too low of a gear. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate floating. I'm not going to use my clutch at all. All right. But there's a secret to it. All right. You have to put pressure. Once I let off the gas, it just comes out of gear. All right. So you have to have pressure towards the next gear. Don't forget this. And there we go. See that? There's a pressure. All right. See that little pause I did? All right. See how smooth I'm going? Okay. So now, those are whole gears. Sliding it forward, letting off. There we go. No using clutch. You can even downshift without using it, right? But the trick is that you actually have to have pressure towards. Oops! It just came out. There we go. And now, while you're on the gas, it won't come off. All right. See the way it won't come out? It doesn't matter how much you do anything, it will not come out of gear. All right. Once you're off the gas, it won't come out of gear. So how does it come out of gear? It's that point between giving it gas and not giving it gas, and not giving it gas and giving it gas. There's a little bit of free where. So watch this now, right? So as you can see, there's pressure towards the neck, towards neutral. I'm just going to let off the gas. See the way it came out? Let's put it back into gear. All right. So. And now I'm going to be on the gas. All right, once I let off the gas, there we go. Okay, so now I'm not giving any gas at all. So I'm going to give it a little tap. There we go. Let's do that again. Little tap. Okay. See that now? Pressure, let off the gas, comes out of gear, rev it up, into gear. So pressure, Alright, now I'm exaggerating the pressure for demonstration purposes, right? Oh, there we go, there we go. Okay. So where are we? Okay, we are in, so this is back, so that means it's in low. I'm in 7th gear, as you can see from my little diagram that I made you guys. Very proud of that, by the way. Okay, so I want to downshift again. Pressure. Once it's in neutral, rev that thing up. Give it a stab. Put it into gear. Now, of course, you're not going to be able to do this right away. I just want this is me demonstrating that it's possible. Doo-doo-doo. See, when I'm doing, see if you can predict what I'm actually going to do. Okay, I'm going to be pulling a nice little wide U-turn over here, but I don't want to do it fast. All right. So as you can see, right now, currently in neutral. Let's say you find yourself in neutral. All right. Now, I know I'm not going to be making this in fifth gear. All right. So I'm just going to put it in. There we go. 4th gear. Just dropped in at 10 miles per hour. There we go. Now, I want to remind you that is actually the end of a longer video, which means like you might have not understood stuff and you might be confused why I call the accelerator gas. Obviously, it's not run on gas, it's run on diesel, but we don't really say, all right, press on the diesel. All right. But anyway, I had a lot of students that had broken English, and I found that using the word gas, they understood a lot better. All right, especially because one guy really couldn't understand throttle or the accelerator. It was just too much of a word for them. So let's use the word gas as he requested. Now, please give me your thoughts about floating gears. Do you find that what I said was pretty sound? Maybe you learned something? Are you completely against it? And or whatever. Again, I did both. Even in this video, I still double clutched because it was out of habit. Because I was doing a lot of training with people, I found myself automatically going to double clutching, then floating. But again, I taught both because I knew that they were going to do it eventually anyway. So why not teach it? But anyway, thank you very much for lasting this long. Please, obviously, comment like I just asked. If you're new to my channel, I have a ton of backing videos, and of course I have a game called My Trucking Skills where you basically back up constantly. I got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of levels, and even I have a European version called My European Truck Skills. And I don't know how close into the future this is going to be, but there is going to be I think we're going to be calling it My Fifth Wheel Camper Skills. All right, we're basically going to be doing fifth wheel trailers and motorhomes. But anyway, take care. Bye bye now.